Hello everyone, today we will talk about migrating from Groovy to KTS, and KTS stands for Kotlin script, and this is a file format used in Kotlin for scripting purposes. This is like Groovy but it's better, and let's see why. This is future-proof because in the beta and the canary versions of Android Studio, Google has chosen to use KTS instead of Groovy files by default. If you like to use Kotlin, using KTS will be a piece of cake for you because they are almost the same thing. This integrates very well with Android Studio because this provides us syntax highlighting, refactoring of the code, and error checking. Now we are in Android Studio, so let's start by renaming the build.gradle from the project to build.gradle.kts in order to enable the Kotlin script. And now let's replace the single quote with double quotes and add parentheses to each ID and close this. And let's sync the project now. So the sync was successful. Let's move on to the build.gradle from the app module and rename this to build.gradle.kts and do refactor. And now let's replace the single quotes to double quotes. And now let's add the parentheses to the IDs. Now we have to add equals because these are like Kotlin variables and we have to assign a variable value to them. So let's say equals test instrumentation runner equals, and here we have to say get by name and pass the name of the build type, and in my case is debug. Here we have to say is minify enabled equals false. Progrord files, it's a function, so we have to open the parentheses and close them here. Here we have to use the equal sign. Compose is true. And the dependencies, we have to add the parentheses to each of the implementation. So I added parentheses to each of them. So let's sync the project and see if we encounter some issues. I forgot to mention that if you have def variables that are from Groovy, we have to replace them with val. So I think that we will be okay right now and we don't have any errors. As you can see, the syntax highlighting started. So if you like this video, make sure to follow me for more content like this and see you next time.